Today's topic. What is an offshore trust? An offshore trust is an ordinary trust that is shaped under the laws of an offshore jurisdiction. Numerous offshore asset protection specialists agree to the fact that offshore trust in the appropriately chosen jurisdiction is the most grounded asset protection vehicle around the world. The Cook Islands Asset Protection Trust has appeared to offer the most grounded asset protection offshore case law history. It is the best purview for offshore asset protection, as we would like to think. At the point when a local court requests payments, the trust company in the Cook Islands, situated outside your nearby court's jurisdiction, isn't committed to consent to the court request. Subsequently, the licensed and bonded protected 30-plus-year-old trust company keeps your offshore assets out of any harm's way. For customer true serenity, we build up an offshore limited liability company, LLC, that is 100% claimed by the trust. The customer is the director of the LLC. The uses of offshore trusts. Number 1. Official statistics on offshore trusts are hard to get a hold of, as in most offshore jurisdictions, trusts are not required to be enrolled. Anyway, it is suspected that the most widely recognized use of offshore trusts is as a major aspect of the tax and financial planning of wealthy individuals and their families. Number 2. They are found as unit trusts to work like a mutual fund. Number 3. An offshore trust is regularly utilized as a major aspect of an often structure in trade finance transactions or capital market. Number 4. Pan-national non-governmental bodies are once in a while set up as offshore trusts. For instance, the International Cricket Council is built in the British Virgin Islands. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to RTR Supports Limited YouTube channel. And also, for more information, you can visit our website, rtrsupportslimited.com.